6070, and we're showing, we're slowing through 250. What do you need?
You're 125, turn left at Victor, straight ahead on Bravo and ground point Nana.
And then approach United 8 Heavy is leveling 190.
Thank you very much. Options 9529 Gulfstream traffic, 2 mile final, runway 1, no delay, clear for takeoff. Good afternoon. American 1262 Heavy, descend to maintain 2000, turn left heading 360. American 588 Heavy to right heading 070 there. American 1262 Heavy, the left side is available. I have to affect you just about 5 miles out of the way.
And swing right wing 0805, push right turbine.
Post up 1990 past 44 from 2000, 04 short heading. Mike, okay, sir, after Corby circles south to the left base, runway 1, turn a 3 mile final for me. Adelaide Tower, 30602, would be 1 second. Good afternoon. American 1262 Heavy, the left side is available. I have to affect you just about 5 miles out of the way. Delta 1716, turn left heading 130. 130 to 1760. Frequency change, disregard, this is the 081 squad VF4, altitude your dispersion below Bravo, frequency change approved. And Adelaide Tower, 30602, would be 1 second. I need 250. Okay. 9,000. Papa Romeo, runway 1, clear for takeoff. Left side is available. 70, contact tower 119.1.
Here 125, turn left at Victor, straight ahead on Bravo.
Wings 9529 up 2 and hold short of runway 1 for me. American 1262 heavy, descend and maintain 2000, turn left heading 360. American 1262 heavy, the left side is available, I have to affect you just about 5 miles out of the way. Wings 9529 up 2 and hold short of runway 1 for me. CW 708, information November is current, the altimeter is 3040. American 588, heavy turn right heading 070, say airspeed.